Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be starting this project, a 2008 Mercedes S550 AMG package. I got it from an auction that was from a police impound. So I'm going to clean it up. It has some problems with it, like the oil pan needs fixed. Give it a nice clean up and see what I do with it. .5 V8 AMG package. So as you can see, it's got a hole in the oil pan right there. So I'm gonna pull that off, get it fixed up. So I got the new oil pan in. Go ahead and pop this old lower oil pan out. Got the oil pan off. Go ahead and I cleaned the surface. Throw some RTV on that. These lower oil pans don't get a gasket. All right, got the oil pan installed. Get a new oil filter and put some new oil in it. Now that we got that oil pan installed, let's pull this cover off. First off, you're going to drain the oil. With me having to replace the oil pan in this one, it's already been drained, so go ahead and twist this off to put the new filter in. Okay, now go ahead and twist that off. That's what it looks like. Pull that filter off. Go ahead, and you're going to replace these 3 O-rings. Okay, now that I got the new gaskets on and filter on, this is the part number for it, the filter. I'll put that link in the description. Go ahead and install it back in. You want to get these pretty tight, but you're going to feel those new O-rings fighting you, so make sure you get them a little oily before you install it as well. Finally got the oil in. I went with the 540 Valvoline. And this car calls for 9 quarts, so let's go ahead and get that in there. And after you got the oil put in, go ahead and install this cover back on. You start with these back ones and then push it back into place. So something like this. There we go. Now she's all back together. Do a little review on this AMG with getting it all fixed up and all taken care of. New tires, did the new oil pan, fresh oil change. Gotta do a little drive on it. I would say it's a steal of a deal for the price that I paid for it with the mileage. I mean, this car only has 84,000 miles on it and I got it for $3K, so I cannot complain. It's decently quick for what it is. It is a big old boat. It's long, it's wide. It's just heavy, but it makes decent power for what it is. Very nice to drive. It is comfortable. It's got the luxury factor to it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next videos.